This is your guide to the ultimate first car. Today, I'll break down the top 6 cars for first-time buyers and help you find the perfect fit. I'm Putra Bungsu, and my mission is to make buying your first car simple, stress-free, and even fun. We'll cover reliability, running costs, safety, and driving enjoyment, so you can make a smart choice. By the end, you'll know exactly what to look for in your first car. These picks are practical, budget-friendly, and famously reliable. Let's dive in. First up, the legendary Honda Civic. For decades, it's been the go-to answer for first-time buyers, and for good reason. The Civic is renowned for bulletproof reliability. Do basic maintenance and it'll run for years. It's affordable to buy, cheap to maintain, and parts are everywhere. Every mechanic knows how to fix a Civic, so repairs are quick and inexpensive. There's also a massive enthusiast community, so if you want to customize, options are endless. Modern Civics are comfortable, tech-friendly, and surprisingly fun to drive. Easy to park, great on gas, and perfect for city life or campus commutes. Fuel economy is a huge plus. Fewer trips to the pump means more money in your pocket. The Civic is the complete package, reliable, affordable, and enjoyable. It's the safe, smart choice that never feels boring. That's why it stayed at the top for so long. If you want a car that just works without any drama, the Civic is hard to beat. It's practical, sensible, and still manages to be fun. For a first car, it checks every box. The Civic is a legend for a reason. Next, the Civic's arch rival, the Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is the definition of dependability and sensibility. Its biggest strength? Resale value. Corollas hold their value better than almost anything else. When you're ready to upgrade, you'll get more of your money back. Fuel efficiency is another win, especially with hybrid models. You'll save big on gas over the years. Corollas are famous for longevity. Stories of 300,000 plus miles are common. Even with basic maintenance, these cars just keep going. Inside, everything is simple and intuitive, perfect for new drivers. No confusing controls, just straightforward usability. Parts and service are cheap and easy to find. Every mechanic knows Corollas, so repairs are stress-free. It's the car you buy when you want zero hassle. Turn the key, go, and trust it'll get you there every time. The Corolla isn't flashy, but it's the smartest, safest bet for a first car. Legendary reliability, great value, and peace of mind, the sensible choice perfected. Want something practical but also fun? Meet the Mazda III. Mazda's known for making cars that are a joy to drive, and the Mazda III is no exception. It feels sporty, with precise steering and a responsive chassis. Driving isn't a chore, it's something you'll look forward to. The interior is a standout premium materials, clean design, and a quality feel. Mazda keeps tech simple and safe, using a rotary controller instead of a distracting touchscreen. Safety is top-notch, with strong ratings and available advanced features. Choose sedan or hatchback for extra versatility. Reliability is solid, and you're not sacrificing much for that extra fun. It might cost a bit more than a Civic or Corolla, but the driving experience is worth it. The Mazda III is for buyers who want style, quality, and excitement in their first car. It proves your first car doesn't have to be boring. You get Japanese reliability with a European feel. For those who love driving, the Mazda III is a perfect start. It's the car that makes every drive memorable. Now let's talk about the Hyundai Elantra, a tech lover's dream. Hyundai has packed the Elantra with features: big touchscreens, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even wireless charging. It looks sharp and modern, standing out in any parking lot. The real game changer? Hyundai's unbeatable 10-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. That's peace of mind you won't find anywhere else. Digital integration is a highlight. Use your phone as a key, control features remotely, and stay connected. The Elantra is comfortable, quiet, and gets excellent fuel economy. Reliability has improved dramatically, making it a real contender against Japanese rivals. There's plenty of space for friends and gear, so it's practical too. You get style, tech, and security all at a great price. For first-time buyers who want the latest gadgets and a bold look, the Elantra is a top pick. It's modern, value-packed, and worry-free. Hyundai has truly earned its place among the best. The Elantra is proof you don't have to compromise. It's the smart, tech-forward choice. Next up, the Kia Forte, the value king. Kia gives you more features for less money. Big screens, safety tech, and stylish design come standard. The Forte's 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty is a huge plus for new buyers. Sporty trims like the GT line add flair without breaking the bank. Comfort is excellent, with supportive seats and a quiet ride. The infotainment system is easy to use, no manual required. It's efficient, reliable, and cheap to run. The Forte isn't trying to be a sports car, it's about comfort and practicality. Great fuel economy means more savings over time. For buyers on a budget who want the most car for their money, the Forte delivers. It's well-equipped, stylish, and backed by the best warranty in the business. Kia proves you don't have to spend big for a great first car. The Forte is the ultimate value pick. Finally, the Volkswagen Golf, the European standout. The Golf feels solid and refined, with high-quality materials and a premium vibe. Its hatchback design is incredibly versatile. Haul friends, gear, or even furniture with ease. The design is timeless. A Golf always looks classy, even years later. On the road, it balances comfort and handling better than most rivals. It's smooth, quiet, and fun to drive, perfect for road trips or city commutes. The trade-off? Maintenance can be pricier than Japanese or Korean cars. Not every mechanic specializes in European brands, so factor that into your budget. For those wanting more excitement, the GTI version is a legendary hot hatch, if you can swing the running costs. The Golf is for buyers who want refinement, practicality, and a touch of luxury. It feels more expensive than it is and stands out for its quality. If you value versatility and a premium feel, the Golf is a unique choice. Just be prepared for slightly higher upkeep. For many, the Golf's blend of qualities is worth it. There's simply nothing else quite like it. There you have it, 6 fantastic first car options. From the reliable Civic and Corolla, to the fun Mazda III, techy Elantra and Forte, and refined Golf, there's something for everyone. Decide what matters most, cost, features, or driving enjoyment. The perfect first car is out there waiting for you. What was your first car, or which of these is your top pick? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. I'm Putra Bungsu, and I'll see you in the next one.